You think you're trapped, stuck in the same cycle, repeating the same failures, living the same regrets. But let me tell you the truth. The only thing keeping you stuck is you. You are the one deciding to be the same person today that you were yesterday. You are the one locking yourself into old habits, outdated beliefs, and a past that no longer serves you. You look at change, and it feels overwhelming. The weight of all you must do, all you must become, crushes you before you even start. You think about everything that needs to happen, every habit to break, every discipline to build, and the sheer size of it paralyzes you. So you do nothing. You delay. You procrastinate. You tell yourself, I'll start Monday. Then Monday turns into next month. Next month turns into next year. And next year turns into never. This is why people stay the same. Because they think too far ahead. Because they focus on the mountain instead of the next step. The most important skill for improving your life isn't some secret formula. It's not found in books, seminars, or motivational speeches. It's this: long-term vision, short-term focus. Know where you want to go. Have a vision that pulls you forward. But when it comes to action, forget about the next 5 years. Forget about the next 12 months. Ask yourself one question: who do I want to be today? Not next year, not someday. Today. This is the difference between those who change their lives and those who stay trapped in the illusion of transformation, dreaming about change but never stepping into it. Because real change isn't a dramatic single moment of reinvention. It's not a one-day breakthrough. It's the result of 1,000 decisions made in silence, in the trenches, in the moments when no one is watching. So how do you do it? How do you make sure you actually take action and don't fall into the endless cycle of paralysis? Step 1. Redefine your identity for today. You don't need to become a completely different person overnight. That's the lie that stops you before you even begin. You just need to decide, who do I want to be today? Think about your day ahead. What qualities do you need to embody? Choose 3 words: focused, bold, relentless, patient, present, powerful, disciplined, energetic, creative. Pick your words. Lock them in. Today, this is who you are. You don't need to be this person forever. Just for the next 24 hours. Just until the sun sets. And tomorrow, you can choose again. Most people stay stuck because they define themselves by their past. I'm not a morning person. I've never been disciplined. I've always been lazy. No, you are not your past. You are not your failures. You are whoever you decide to be right now. Step 2. Take 3 small actions that match your identity. Identity is not just in your mind. It's in your actions. The way you move through your day defines who you are. So once you've chosen your 3 words, ask yourself, how would someone like this behave today? If your words are focused, disciplined, relentless, your actions might be: work for 90 minutes without touching your phone. Follow through on the commitment you've been avoiding. Push through the moment you feel like quitting. If your words are present, loving, grounded, your actions might be: put your phone away and listen when someone speaks. Spend time with someone without distractions. Take a moment to appreciate where you are instead of worrying about what's next. The point is, you don't need to overhaul your life overnight. You just need to win this day. Because when you win the day, and you keep stacking those victories, suddenly, without even realizing it, you've become the person you always wanted to be. Step 3. End the day with reflection. This is where most people fail. They take action, but they never look back. At the end of the day, ask yourself, Did I live by my 3 words today? Where did I succeed? Where did I slip up? What can I do differently tomorrow? The goal isn't perfection, it's awareness. Because the truth is, you're going to slip. You're going to hesitate. You're going to feel the weight of old habits trying to pull you back. But the ones who change, they course correct. They adjust. They refuse to let a single failure become an excuse to stop. Step 4. Destroy the illusion of motivation. Let's expose another lie that's keeping you stuck. Most people think they need motivation to take action. They wait for inspiration. They wait to feel like it. They wait for that perfect moment when their energy is high, their mind is clear, and everything just clicks. But here's the problem. Motivation is a liar. It's temporary. It's fleeting. It's unreliable. The truth? Motivation doesn't create action. Action creates motivation. Look back at every time you've procrastinated, delayed, or avoided something important. What did you tell yourself? I just don't feel like it today. I'll do it when I have more energy. I need to wait for the right moment. That moment never comes. But think about the times you forced yourself to start, even when you didn't want to. What happened? Momentum. The hardest part of any task isn't doing it. It's starting. The gym, the work, the discipline. The first rep is the hardest. The first sentence is the hardest. The first step is the hardest. But once you start, once you push through that initial resistance, the excuses vanish. The energy kicks in. The drive ignites. You don't need to be motivated to start. You don't need to be inspired to act. You just need to move. So stop waiting. Stop giving yourself the luxury of feeling ready. Force yourself into motion. Because once you start, the fire follows. And the ones who dominate in life, the ones who rise while others stay stuck, they don't rely on motivation. They rely on discipline. Your new reality starts now. You don't need to wait for the perfect moment. You don't need to have everything figured out. You just need to win today. Because a great life is not built in one massive decision. It's built in the small, relentless choices you make every single day. So right now, choose who you want to be today. Take 3 actions that prove it. Refuse to wait for motivation. Burn the bridges that lead back to weakness. And when you wake up tomorrow, do it again. One day at a time. One step at a time. Until one day, you look in the mirror and you don't even recognize the person staring back at you. Not because you changed in an instant, but because you refuse to be the same person today that you were yesterday. Who do you choose to be today? Step 6. Kill your excuses before they kill you. Every time you hesitate, every time you stall, every time you convince yourself that you'll do it later, you are digging your own grave. Excuses are the silent assassins of progress. They creep in, whispering comfortable lies in your ear. I'm too tired. I don't have enough time. I'll start when things settle down. No. You will start now. You will act now. You will execute now. Because every excuse you make is just another chain locking you to your current reality. And if you don't kill those excuses, they will kill you. Not all at once. Not in some dramatic, earth-shattering moment. But slowly, day by day, until you wake up years from now and realize you wasted your life. So what do? Every time an excuse creeps in, you attack it. Too tired? Get up anyway. Not enough time? Wake up earlier. Cut out distractions. Make the damn time. Not feeling it? Good. Do it anyway. The ones who win in life are the ones who execute whether they feel like it or not. Because discipline is not about waiting for the right mood. Discipline is being ruthless enough to do what needs to be done, no matter what. So from this moment forward, every time your mind tries to pull you back into weakness, you fight back. Because if you let excuses rule your life, you will live and die as just another forgotten name. No more waiting. No more delays. No more lies. Kill your excuses before they kill you. Step 7. Build an unbreakable mind. Your body can be broken. Your circumstances can crumble. The world can throw everything it has at you. But if your mind is unbreakable, nothing can stop you. Because everything, your success, your discipline, your resilience, it all begins in the mind. Weak people crack under pressure. They give in when things get hard. But warriors, they endure. They adapt. They overcome. So how do you forge an unbreakable mind? 1. Control your thoughts. Your mind is either your greatest weapon or your greatest enemy. The weak let negative thoughts run wild. They drown in self-doubt. They feed the belief that they aren't good enough. But the strong, they guard their mind like a fortress. Every time a weak thought enters, they kill it instantly. I can't do this. Wrong. You can, and you will. I'm not good enough. Wrong. You have everything you need, if you choose to use it. I don't feel motivated. Good. Motivation is a lie. Discipline is your weapon. Second train. Discomfort. If you avoid pain, if you avoid struggle, you are soft. You must seek discomfort daily. You must train yourself to be at peace in chaos. This means doing hard things on purpose. Take the cold shower. Push yourself past your limits in the gym. Do the thing you fear most. Break the patterns of comfort that have kept you weak. Because the more you train discomfort, the less power it has over you. And when life throws chaos your way, you will not break. 3. Develop absolute focus. In a world designed to distract you, focus is a superpower. The average person is weak because their attention is scattered. Their mind is hijacked by social media, cheap dopamine, and endless distractions. But the strong, they train their focus like a weapon. No notifications, no mindless scrolling, no wasted hours on things that don't matter. They choose where their energy goes. They guard their time like a warrior guards his land. And because of that, they win. If you want to be unstoppable, you must build a mind that cannot be broken, distracted, or controlled. Because when you own your mind, you own your destiny. Step 8. Stop negotiating with weakness. Weakness will always try to make a deal with you. It will whisper, "Just take today off." You've been working hard. It will beg, "You don't really need to do this right now. You can do it later." It will convince you, "One little break won't hurt." Every time you listen to that voice, you lose. Every time you negotiate with weakness, you feed it. And if you feed it long enough, it will own you. So from now on, there is no negotiation. The alarm goes off, you get up. No snooze, no debate, no compromise. The workout feels hard. You finish it. No quitting, no excuses, no hesitation. The temptation to slack off creeps in. You push harder. You double down. You kill that weakness before it spreads. Because the second you allow even one excuse, it opens the door for more. Weakness grows in small moments. One skipped workout turns into a habit. One lazy day turns into a lifestyle. One compromise turns into a lifetime of regret. The strong don't negotiate with their feelings. They don't let emotions dictate their actions. They command their body. They command their mind. They command their life. So from this moment forward, when weakness tries to make a deal with you, you shut it down. No deals. No compromises. No excuses. Because you're not here to be average. You're here to be unstoppable. If you made it to the end of this, you're not like the rest. You're not just another passive listener, consuming content and doing nothing with it. No, you're here because something inside you refuses to stay the same. You feel it, don't you? That fire, that pull, that voice telling you that you're meant for more. And that's why you're part of this movement, the GrimFace movement. To those of you who return to these videos, again and again, you are the lifeblood of this community. You show up. You put in the work. You don't just listen. You apply. And because of that, you are rising, while the weak continue to fall. For those of you who are new here, this is your wake-up call. This isn't just another motivational channel. This is a battleground, a place where we forge the strong and expose the weak. If you want to stay the same, leave now. But if you're ready to burn the excuses, kill the old self, and step into your power, subscribe now and join the movement. This isn't about passive motivation. This is about transformation. This is about taking back control. The question is, who do you choose to be? Join the GrimFace movement. Like, subscribe, and prepare for war.